Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to download and install Jenkins in Windows 2010. So open the any browser and just type the Jenkins download, and you can click on that in download Jenkins on the Jenkins IO website. And now we'll get something like that. Just click on the download button, and once you click the download buttons, it will be start downloading the Jenkins zip file. After successfully download of a Jenkins zip file, you'll be it will be downloaded in like in a somewhere in download folder, like, and then just double click on that folder and again double click on the Jenkins installation Windows installer package. After that, you'll be get that in a skins like welcome to Jenkins 2.240 setup wizard. Click on the next. Change the path if you want, or keep it as it is, whatever's default is there. I did the change, like you can see it's software Jenkins. Click on the next and then install. Click on the next. You'll be get the installing Jenkins 2.204.2. Click on the finish and you'll be get something skins like that. Just click on that in Jenkins top, and after that it will be start please wait while the Jenkins is getting ready for you. So after that you may need to unlock that Jenkins. So you have to open that in this path in initial admin password, and then whatever's content is there, just we need to paste it. So just put into that, and then software Jenkins and installations open in a notepad and copy this password and paste into that in administrator password, and then um, it will suggest you to go to that in open the service and right click on Jenkins stop or restart, and then again go to the browser, type the localhost clone 8080 and click on the install suggested plugins. After that, it will be install the suggested plugins in the file, and after successfully completions of a plugin installations, you will get the create a first admin user. So type that in your name of username, password, confirm password, full name and email address. I just use that in these ones. And instance configurations, by default it will be there. You can choose that in your like in IP address or localhost or like in any domain or 8080, and then start using Jenkins, so you'll get something a skin like that. So that's all about in these lectures, and thanks for watching.